it felt like a relief. It was definitely a relief to be able to stop carrying all that hurt, all that pain, all that sadness, all that disappointment, all the sorrow, all the guilt, all the shame. Like I really was able to like let it go, and I could feel the difference. I could feel like my self-esteem and my self-worth be restored, when I dealt with the guilt, when I dealt with the shame, when I dealt with the disappointment. I actually had the opportunity to confront, my abuser in a role play with my therapist and ask, why are you doing this to me? Like, what's wrong with you? Like, this hurts. Why are you doing this to me? Like, I had an opportunity just to ask the questions I would have asked. I had a question to say the things I wanted to say, and I had an opportunity to say no. No, you're not going to destroy no more of my life. Like I'm reclaiming my life.